Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube banner from scratch. First, go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type YouTube channel art. Select it. This will open a blank design with the correct size, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Now you'll see a white blank canvas. The first thing to do is add a background. You can keep it simple with a solid color or add a gradient. On the left, click Background and choose a color or style. If you want a custom color, click the color box at the top and select one. Next, we'll add text. Click Text on the left panel. Then click Add a heading. Type your channel name here. You can also add a short message like what your channel is about. Keep it brief and clear. Move the text to the center of the canvas by dragging it. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, size, and color. Choose a font that's bold and easy to read. Now we need to make sure the text is in the safe zone. This is the area that appears on all devices like phones and tablets. The safe zone is in the center, 1546 pixels wide and 423 pixels tall. Canva doesn't show this by default, but you can estimate by keeping all text and important items in the middle third of the canvas. Try not to place anything near the edges. Let's add a shape behind the text to help it stand out. Click Elements on the left. Scroll down to Shapes and choose a rectangle. Resize the shape and place it behind the text. You can change the shape's color and make it slightly transparent so it doesn't cover the background fully. If you want to add images or icons, click Elements again and search for things like camera, play button, or whatever matches your content. You can also upload your own images by clicking Uploads and selecting files from your computer. Once your design looks good, click File in the top right, then click Download. Choose PNG for the best quality and download the image. Now go to your YouTube channel. Click Customize Channel, then go to the Branding tab. Under Banner Image, click Change and upload the banner you made. You'll see a preview of how it will look on different devices. If everything looks right, click Done, then hit Publish. You now have a custom YouTube banner made from scratch. Thanks for watching.